Hello, in this video, we will be discussing how to determine the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's say we have a matrix A with the following elements A, B on the first row and C, D on the second row. Then to find the inverse of A, which is represented as A to the index of -1, the inverse of matrix A equals 1 divided by the determinant of A, and then we do a scalar multiplication. We go to the matrix A and we change the position of these two elements here. So A was at the top before, D was at the bottom. So we switch their place and we have this. So that's how we got it. So we switch the position of A and D. And as for C and B, we simply change their sign. So if the sign was positive, it becomes negative, or if the sign was negative, it becomes positive. And this is the way we perform the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. This example gives us a matrix B with the element 2 and -4 on the first row and 3 and -1 on the second row. We are asked to find the inverse of matrix B. Solution: following this rule that we have here, matrix B inverse will be equal to 1 divided by the determinant of matrix B. To calculate the determinant of matrix B, we go to matrix B, multiply 2 with -1. So we have 2 times -1 minus, then we multiply 3 with -4. So we have 3 times -4. And this denominator here gives us the determinant of matrix B. Next, we open the parenthesis. To get this, we change the place of 2 and -1. We change the place of 2 and -1. So -1 goes up and 2 comes down. So the places are switched diagonally. So we have -1 and then we have 2 at the bottom here. At the second diagonal, we change the sign of 3 and -4. The sign of 3 is positive, so we change it to negative. And the sign of 4 is negative, we change it to positive. So -3 plus 4. Next thing we need to do is simplify. So B inverse equals 1 divided by 2 times -1 will give us -2. Then minus 3 times -4 will give us -12. Then the elements -1, -3, 4, and 2. Simplifying further, we have B inverse equals 1 over -2. Here we have a negative here, and we have another negative inside the parenthesis. So negative times negative will give us positive, and then we are left to 12. B inverse equals 1 divided by -2 plus 12. That will give us 10. Upon getting here, the next thing we have to do is scalar multiplication. So we take -10, we multiply it with each element that we have. So B inverse equals 1 over 10 multiplied by -1 will give us -1 over 10. Minus 1 over 10. Next, we take this 1 over 10 again. We multiply it with 4. That will give us 4 divided by 10. Next, so 1 over 10 multiplied by -3. That will give us -3 over 10. And lastly, 1 over 10 multiplied by 2. That will give us 2 over 10. And that is the inverse of the B matrix. We can leave the answer like this or simply simplify further. So we'll have B inverse equals minus 1 over 10. 4 over 10 can be simplified, so we will have 2 over 5 minus 3 over 10. And lastly, 2 over 10 can be simplified further, and we will have 1 over 5. And this is how we take the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. Thank you very much.